Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use all apps on cover screen of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open settings, scroll down, click on to advanced feature, labs, scroll down, and you need to first make sure to turn on this option. So now I'm turn on and press on, showing here to more apps. Select that you wanna allow. If you want to customize like select only YouTube. Okay, and let's try. Unlock. So look here, now successfully showing here YouTube. Okay, you just easily use YouTube from here. Or if you want to add all apps, so simply scroll down, click on this option, and you need to just install this launcher. You just easily install from your Play Store and select all apps. Or if you want to select any one, okay, now set up. Just go back and let's check up. So look here, showing it to all apps. I'm just easily use any apps from here. So that's it.